Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Genshin Impact account with the new update in 2020. It's actually really simple and easy to do. You guys just have to send an email to a couple of different email addresses, just saying that you want to delete your account pretty much. So I'll show you guys exactly what you have to do. I just have my Gmail open right here, so I'll just go ahead and open that up. These are the two email addresses that you guys want to send the email to. The first one being genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. The second one being genshin_cm@mihoya.com. So you guys want to make sure you pause the video here and make sure you guys copy down the emails correctly into your email before you send it. Once you've done that, you just want to go to the subject line and just type in account deletion, just like this. And then in the composed email portion, you just want to put, please delete my account with all of its data. And then, of course, you guys can just type in your username right here, email address associated with your account as well. And then once you've done that, just type in username and email, and then you guys should be good to go. You can send it off, and then if you're missing anything in the email, I'm sure they will let you guys know by emailing you back, usually within a couple days. But once you guys do this, you guys will receive a confirmation saying that your account is deleted, and then you will be good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to delete your Genshin Impact account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.